Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, lot of those who use dash cams may come up an issue like when you insert a memory card here in your dash cam, it says that it needs to be formatted, and when you format in your PC and you put it back, it does not work. So what is the solution for this problem? Well, the solution for this problem exists in your camera itself. Like I have this Vantru camera, and if I go to the settings, I'm sorry, I'll show you. So here when I go for system setup, I do see there's second option that says format SD card. So if you have this functionality inbuilt, I would suggest you do it here so that you don't encounter any issue. And this is how it works, and this is gonna be really helpful for you when you try. So let me know if you are struggling with this problem, and if this helps you. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.